Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration, the ultimate destination for all things interior design.
Designing a small living room can be a delightful challenge, blending creativity with functionality to make the most of limited space. Here are some inspiring ideas to help you maximize and beautify your small living room, making it both cozy and stylish. In a small living room, multifunctional furniture is a must. Consider pieces that can serve multiple purposes, such as a sofa bed, an ottoman with storage, or a coffee table that doubles as a desk. Nesting tables are also a great option, providing additional surface area when needed but taking up minimal space when not in use. Modular furniture that can be easily rearranged allows you to adapt your living room layout to different activities, whether you're entertaining guests, working from home, or simply relaxing. Using light and neutral colors can make a small living room feel larger and more open. Whites, creams, and light grays are excellent choices for walls, ceilings, and larger furniture pieces. These colors reflect light, creating an airy and spacious feel. To add warmth and interest, incorporate textures and subtle patterns through throw pillows, rugs, and curtains. Accent colors can be introduced through smaller decor items like vases, picture frames, and artwork to create a cohesive and inviting space. Maximize your small living room's functionality with smart storage solutions. Built-in shelves and wall-mounted cabinets can provide ample storage without taking up valuable floor space. Consider furniture with hidden storage, such as a coffee table with compartments or a sofa with under-seat storage. Use vertical space efficiently by installing shelves or cabinets up to the ceiling, which draws the eye upward and makes the room feel taller. Baskets, bins, and trays can help keep smaller items organized and easily accessible. Mirrors are a classic trick to create the illusion of more space. Placing a large mirror opposite a window can reflect natural light and make the room feel brighter and larger. Reflective surfaces, such as glass or mirrored furniture, can also help bounce light around the room. Consider mirrored coffee tables, glass shelving, or decorative mirrors as part of your design to enhance the sense of space and light in your small living room. Utilizing vertical space is crucial in a small living room. Floor-to-ceiling bookshelves, tall plants, and vertically arranged art can draw the eye upward, making the room feel more spacious. Hanging curtains close to the ceiling rather than just above the window can also create the illusion of height. Choose furniture that emphasizes vertical lines, such as high-back chairs or tall, narrow cabinets, to enhance this effect and make the most of your room's dimensions. Selecting appropriately scaled furniture is essential for a small living room. Choose pieces that are compact and proportionate to the size of your space. Slim profile sofas, chairs with exposed legs, and small-scale coffee tables can prevent the room from feeling crowded. Furniture with open designs, such as glass tables or chairs with thin frames, can create a sense of openness. Consider multifunctional and modular pieces that can be easily moved or reconfigured to suit different needs. A minimalist approach can work wonders in a small living room. Focus on simplicity and functionality, keeping only essential items and decluttering regularly. Opt for furniture with clean lines and simple shapes, and limit the number of decorative accessories. This approach not only makes the room feel larger but also creates a serene and calming environment. Use a restrained color palette and incorporate natural materials like wood, stone, and metal to add warmth and texture without overwhelming the space. Proper lighting is key to making a small living room feel welcoming and spacious. Layer different types of lighting, including ambient, task, and accent lighting, to create a well-lit and versatile space. Wall sconces, floor lamps, and pendant lights can provide ample light without taking up valuable table or floor space. Consider using light fixtures that direct light upward to enhance the sense of height. Dimmable lights and smart lighting systems can allow you to adjust the lighting to suit different moods and activities. In conclusion, designing a small living room requires a thoughtful approach that maximizes space while maintaining style and comfort. By incorporating these ideas, you can create a living room that is functional, inviting, and perfectly suited to your needs, regardless of its size.